So this is a popular leaf blower by a company called Vinchest, lightweight battery powered blower. One of the things I like about it, it does come with 2 batteries. These are 20-volt batteries, 4 amp hours each. It does come with a charger. It's also got a very nice, comfortable kind of rubber grip handle here that feels very solid. So I like that. This one has 2 speeds on it. It does get really good reviews. I'm gonna give it a brief demonstration here. You power it on with the red button, then you go between low and high with this button. I wouldn't say this is for like heavy duty leaf blowing or anything like that, but if it's like blowing off a patio or a sidewalk or a garage or something like that, kind of light blowing, does get good reviews and would be effective on those kind of things. So again, let me demonstrate it. I've got some light, a little bit more than probably it's designed for. Some leaves here. It's been wet, so a little bit of wet leaves here. So we're going to power it on, and then we're going to switch over to high power here. And yeah, I love that it comes with the 2 batteries. So you can see what we're going to get. You know, it'll move these wet leaves. So blowing out a dusty garage or something. Hopefully this gives you an idea of the kind of power it has. It is quiet and lightweight. I hope this video is helpful for you in showing you this blower in action.